The heck? It says nothing was issued on here. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm
Columbia.
warning for southeastern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, southwestern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, southeastern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bowman, Oregon, 8 miles southeast of Orangeburg, moving east at 25 miles an hour.
There you go, right there.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orangeburg, Holly Hill, Branchville, Bowman, Gallery, Santee, Utoville, Roseville, Vance, Cordova, Wilkinson Heights, and Edisto. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Lake Marion, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm.